Hi all, I'm going to give a presentation on a project done for Realta Center for Entrepreneurship at Oklahoma State University. I am Prasanna Kumar Munangi, speaking on behalf of Team 12, consisting members Hugh Pham, Ramesh Shekhar, Kasdan, and Satish. First off, I would like to talk a little bit about Realta Center. Realta Center offers 6 programs throughout a year. To store the data for these programs, they're currently using 6 different Access databases. To retrieve data from these databases, they are using 6 different front-end Access forms. Similar type of data is stored in different databases, thereby storing data in an unoptimized fashion. Problem in maintaining consistent data as frequent updates and changes are made. Business needs of the organization. Cross-marketing of the programs, as an applicant for one program may be a potential applicant for another program. Since these programs are currently isolated, this cannot be accomplished. Performance and ease of access has to be improved, as 6 access forms are trying to retrieve data from the same location on the hard drive, which compromises the response time. Integrated and intuitive user interface has to be built to access the data. Data scalability and consistency has to be achieved, as the number of applicants are growing each year. User authorizations and security levels needs to be established at the database level. System objectives: to build a centralized database, reduce the number of tables from a massive 55, access data of different programs from a single integrated user interface, administration login at the user interface. Resources used: SQL Server database, ASP.NET, developers consisting members of Team 12. Pieces framework for problem solving. Performance: improvement in performance of the system for quick access and response time. Information: improvement in quality of the information stored in the databases. Economics: the cost corresponding to the maintenance of data has to be reduced. Control: the current system does not have security at the database level. Efficiency: the current system is inefficient. Service: the service users has to be improved by creating an intuitive and integrated user interface. The Gantt chart shows the project schedule and the tasks to be performed. We started the project on February 25th and we were able to finish it on April 16th. It took us 45 days to finish the project. This shows the use case diagram for a particular program called Business Plan Competition. It shows the primary business actors and the business events associated with them. This shows the entity relationship diagram. Even the tables and the attributes not being legible, the reason for me to put this up is to show that we have reduced the number of tables from 55 to 25. Now I would like to show the database demo. We have created various stored procedures to create, drop, and insert data. If I want to drop the tables in the database, I can click this stored procedure and execute it. This drops all the tables. If I would like to create tables, then I can click on this stored procedure and execute this. This feature is also incorporated on the front end for an administrator login. If I would like to insert the data into the tables, then I can execute this insert data stored procedure, which inserts the data. Another important feature of the SQL Server is the security. A new user can be added and his security level can be limited by clicking the option of the checkboxes over here. Now I would like to show the user interface demo. Our web page looks something like this. We have hyperlinks for home, login, documentation, and logout. If I want to log in, it asks the credentials. And after clicking the credentials, it lets me log in. You can see contacts. It is incorporated as a client wanted it. I click on contacts. I can see the contact information of all the applicants for all the programs. It shows the organization with he or she is affiliated with. If I would like to add a new contact, I can fill out the demographic information in this form, and when I click on submit, all this information goes and stores in the database. These are different programs. For example, when I click on Veterans Entrepreneurship Program, I can see applicants, delegates, VP partners, and certs. Click on applicants, it gives me the information about the applicants, the organization with he or she is affiliated with, and the contact person at the re-address center. This shows the delegate information. And also, we can have a search option by which we can search a particular applicant based on their organization. I click on logout. This logs me out of the system. Now I would like to talk about the future scope of this project. Functionalities on the user interface can be improved. Few more search criteria options can be incorporated. Attachment facility can be incorporated, wherein an applicant can upload his resume or cover letter and later they can be retrieved. Online payment option for programs could be implemented. Thank you.